Hello and welcome to my latest crafting adventure. Today I am going to be showing you how to make these little adorable clay mushrooms. They are perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to your terrarium, plant pots or any other nature-inspired project you can think of. Let's go back to the start of the process and see how these mushrooms were made. The first step in creating these mushrooms is to take small amounts of clay and shape it around a nail to create the stem of the mushroom. Next, I will take a small amount of clay again, but this time I will roll it into a ball to create the top of the mushroom. Then I will shape it into a more realistic shape and give it details to make it look like a real mushroom. Once the clay is shaped, I pay attention to the details. I add lines or dots to make the mushroom look even more realistic. I also make sure that the stem and the top of the mushroom are well attached so it doesn't fall apart when it dries. The best part about working with miniature clay art is the freedom of creation. With this hobby, the possibilities are endless. And I love how I can connect it to all my other hobbies like terrarium making, plant care, and pot decorating. I can't wait to show you how I will use these mushrooms in my next video where I will put them inside a terrarium. After shaping the mushrooms, I leave them to dry for a day or two. This allows the clay to harden and makes it easier to paint. Once the mushrooms are dry, it's time to paint them. I use acrylic paints for this project, but you can use any type of paint that you prefer, even nail polish. I am painting them red with white dots, but you can paint them any color you like. The fun part is that you can be creative and come up with your own design. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that it inspired you to try making your own clay mushrooms. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, this is a fun and easy hobby that anyone can enjoy. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I will see you in the next video.